Booking a general repair is easy with MyCuro. Once logged in, click on Repairs. Then click Book a Repair. From here, you can see any important information we need you to read, as well as information about repair responsibility and any additional charges that may apply. Tick the box once you have read the information and click Next. Click the property you wish to raise the repair for and click Next. From here, you will be given a number of repair options. Select the option that suits your repair need. And click the options that appear. If you make a mistake, click the back button at the top of the list. Click Confirm Selection. If you've made a mistake, click Start Again, otherwise click Next. Here you can give more information about the repair to our team. If you would like a text message confirmation, click Yes and enter your mobile number. Right now, we are also asking you to complete some COVID-19 questions to keep you and our colleagues safe. Click Next to continue. MyCuro will then offer you some dates and time slots for your repair. If you need further dates, click Get More Appointments. Click the appointment you would like for your repair and click Next. We will provide you with some further information. Click Next when you're ready. MyCuro will then finalise your booking, give you the order number and confirmation of the time we will attend. Click Submit to continue. Click OK to complete your booking. All done. Some repairs are a little more complicated and we will need a bit more information from you before we can book them. And we will need to contact you to book it in. Click Submit to continue. And confirm by clicking OK.